Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 14 Pro, and this storage is 256 gigabytes, and also this capacity is 89% the battery life. And let me show you you can see the back cover, no scratches, no scratches, and you can see the button, the shiny button, no scratches. The charging port also no problem, no scratches and no dent. Okay, no problem. And let me show you this is iPhone 14 Pro, and this is iOS version, and also 256 gigabytes, and also this is unlocked one. You can use the eSIM, okay? You can use the eSIM, no problem. This is a beautiful machine, and let me show you the battery capacity. And you can see the battery has capacity is 89%. Also, the screen is no problem. You can see the screen. The screen, no scratches. A beautiful screen. Okay, no problem. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. You can see a lot of different battery, different condition. And if you want to buy a lot, I will give you a wholesale price. This is a huge. This is a huge market. Okay, a very big market to sell the iPhone. You can see that shop sell the iPhone PM and iPhone PM and iPhone Pro Max. Okay, this is a 14 Pro. Okay, this is iPhone 14 Pro. See you in the next video.